EnerGISite Raster Query Search. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to dive into the process for quickly searching and downloading raster logs in Divestco's EnerGISite, which works on all platforms and devices. With over 2.8 million rasters in our database, if the data exists, we most likely have it in our system. Let's get started. Once you have logged into EnerGISite at energisite.divestco.com, you will need to choose the Query Search tab located at the top middle of the page. In a previous video, we spoke about how our query-based search allows you to zoom into an area in 5 ways. Today, let's perform a DLS search, as it's the most common way to search for data in Western Canada. That's where we enter a township, range, and meridian. Let's search on a small area and bring back some wells. After entering a township, range, and meridian, we need to activate the drop-down in the Find Wells tab at the bottom of the screen. Here you will want to select With Raster Logs. Once you have done that, click on the Wells Select button to the left to run the operation. This brings back 83 wells with rasters. You can further restrain your wells in several ways, including by the minimum depth. This helps to filter out wells when you are searching at deeper depths. For example, if we go back and change minimum depth to 1750 meters and rerun the operation by clicking on the Well Select button, you can see that there are 14 wells that meet this criteria. You can further refine the query by selecting what type of raster curves that we are interested in by unchecking the Include All Types on the Raster Log Types section in the middle left of the screen. If we select only on gamma ray and neutron rasters, then click on Raster Select in the top left screen, we have now refined our search to show only 3 rasters on 2 UWIs or unique well IDs. Before you place your order, you need to decide on the resolution of the rasters and the preferred depth registration format. In terms of the resolution, you can select 100 or 200 DPIs, and for the depth registration format, you have the choice of Divestco's IDS format, Petra's LIC, Geographic, DRA, and finally the XML format, which can be set up to work in a variety of systems. And to order the data, click on the Order Rasters button in the top left corner. A new page will pop up that will inform transactional clients what the total for the order will be. For our subscription clients, you can simply download the data at no charge. Once you've reviewed this information, click the Submit Order button in the top right corner. EnerGISite will now dynamically prepare your order. In the top left corner, there is a refresh button to determine if your order is still being processed. For smaller orders, this process generally takes under 30 seconds. Once the status reads complete, you are ready to download your order by simply clicking on the Download button on the top right corner. Your depth registered rasters will then be directly downloaded to your computer as a zip file. You can now integrate the data and order new rasters as required. Divestco's EnerGISite makes it very easy for you to download qualified depth registered rasters on the fly. You have access to many raster types that you can search on and download on demand. With over 2.8 million rasters to choose from, why not get started today? Subscribe to Divestco's page today. You will then be in the know and will become an EnerGISite expert in no time.